Good evening everyone, my name is Syed Hossein and I'm in my kitchen making bhuna chicken, which means dry lamb, and I'm making this for Global Week of ARU, means Anglia Ruskin University. I'm just gonna go through and show you what I have done. So there are a few ingredients. This is cumin seed powder, this is black pepper, this is coriander, this is red chili, this is chopped ginger, this is ginger garlic paste, this is yogurt, and this is garam masala, which means hot spices of India. Here is going on. We put the chopped onions first, then basically we get it to a position where it becomes brownish. Then we put all that ingredients into it. Then we put lamb in it, and it's half done. We're making this here, and this is how I'm going to make it at the minute. So when it becomes tender, little bit more, then we're going to put all the yogurt and the few more spices which are left to be put it in. And then when it is all being done, we will decorate it with ginger, chopped ginger and green chilies. And this is at the minute going on. So it will become really very tasty. It's called bhuna gosh in India, which means dry lamb, and that's what we are up to. So I'm halfway done with it, and on here I've got some rice as well, which is going on here, and we're going to eat this bhuna chicken with the rice. So that's the situation at the minute. Before we put the lamb in it, it was washed properly, and we basically clean everything in and put the oil first, put some onions in it, and then all this process is started. So I'm just halfway through. As you can see, the lamb is not very tender at the minute. When it becomes tender, then we're going to mix it with all other spices which are left, and that's how it will be done. So when it will be done, and we'll bring it into the plate, and I'll show you how we have done. Here we are, this bhuna chicken, bhuna lamb and rice is ready now. You can see, this is what it is. That's it.